The robust yoke clamp is a versatile mounting piece. It's really designed to go around a tube. You'll notice that the unique nesting design allows it to get down really tight along a tube. So even if you have a small 1/2-inch tube or a larger 2-inch tube, it'll fit. So it's perfect for almost any yoke that's out there. What you might not realize is also perfect for mounting to a shelf or a ledge, such as a glare shield. Putting it on a glare shield and tightening it down provides a perfect spot for an iPad or an iPhone. Along with the clamp, there is a small bag of parts that come with this unit. And you're probably wondering what those parts are for. Those parts include 2 plastic pieces and 1 small little nut. If you remove the wing nut here, eventually it'll fall off, and then replace that with a small plastic piece here, and then the nut. You can now use the key, your other plastic piece, to tighten it all the way down. What happens is in the motorcycle market or ATV market, I can mount this yoke clamp to something, tighten it all the way down, remove my key, and now it's locked down there. You really can't get to that nut to loosen it off. In the aviation market, it's really not a big deal. Most people just keep the standard wing nut on the robust yoke clamp.